how to use QuillBot in Google Docs. So first, go to your browser and then just click on the three dots here at the top. Next is just click on, now hover your mouse over extensions and then just click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, now from there, you just need to search for QuillBot. Okay, click on this one. Then just click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Okay, now once you've added QuillBot, you can just click on Next, Next, and then click on Agree, or you can just skip this. And then just go back to Google Docs and then just refresh it. Then as you can see, I have an example here that has a wrong grammar. So let's say I want to paraphrase this. You can just click on QuillBot here. Click to open Assistant. Or you can just click on Paraphrase Text, okay, to make it more easier. So you can just select whether you want to standard, fluency, formal, or academic. You can check other models here as well. So let's say I want to use the fluency, and I want to, you can see all of the options here of paraphrases of this text here. You can do let us go, or you can just let's swim all the way there, so you can see. Now just click on it and there you go. Now it's been paraphrased. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.